they clubbing, they chilling, they.
Oh boy.
Tired.
Yeah, I'm also tired, you know? Nora. Tell me, does your father still suspect you come here?
No. He was informed by my mother.
Are you sure?
Yes. Pick my dress for me. I'm tired.
Look, I don't believe it. I suspect... Your dad said he personally saw us. Have you forgotten?
Jimmy, you did believe him? Don't forget my father is a politician. He sometimes uses politics on my mother. Help me.
No. Hey, I'm wearing the back. Wait. Let me...
You've changed
Is it the back?
Oh, look at you.
Something important to discuss with you. Why? Oh, you have a woman inside in there. Relax. I don't expect you not to have a girlfriend. You can introduce me to her as your auntie.
My mom. Yes, she just visited. Would you like to meet her?
No.
Let me introduce you.
No, not yet.
Why? Let's.
It's alright. So, come right over. I'll be waiting for you in the car, okay?
Really?
Yeah.
Why does he let me see her?
No, you see, she's very strict. And I'll be back. I just have to see her today. I'm taking her to. She said I should take her to a friend. I mean her friend. So I'll be back. Okay.
Okay.
Right?
The keys. What?
Just leave them with the guys at the barbering shop. Okay. I'll be back.
If you say so. This is my daughter. To show a little of something. Just a little. Okay. Don't pull it. Okay. Now go back to the bedroom and bring this half brown boots. Okay. There's this half brown boots by the bedside. Bring it. And walk properly. Wear it. Now walk towards the TV. Walk well. Come back. Smile. Good. Okay. Go back in there and the things I put in the bag, they're for you. Bring it.
Yeah. Won't people talk about the way I have dressed?
Look, sweetheart, no matter what you do, always do. You have to do what is right and what you think feels good for you.
But sometimes you have to listen to what people say about you.
I am glad you say sometimes. Sometimes they may be wrong. Once it feels good for you and you think it's right, you go ahead and do it. Don't worry. Now go and get the things. Let's see. Like a lady. Good. Yes. This is for you. Now go home and let's see what your father says.
What at all do women of today want?
What have they done this time round?
Yesterday, I witnessed a scene at the General Post Office. And a guy beats up his girlfriend mercilessly. Oh, just because he found her in the company of another man.
And what did the man do? Did he rescue her?
He was shocked, as I was. He drove away.
He drove away? Wasn't he the one who caused the problem?
Hey, Achiba, I'm not caused any problem. I'm do nothing. If the girl tell him the truth, I'm not going for her.
That's the order of the day. Look, these girls of today, they can't date one man. This is very bad. I can't believe it.
Shut up, Jimmy. Shut up. You have no moral right to discuss this issue. Are you not dating two women?
So what?
Mother and her daughter. Kenya Kaba. What is it?
That is bullshit, man. Achiba, that is bullshit. I mean, you don't have to say that. Are you not a man? And can't you date as many women as possible? What's up?
And you? How? Are you not a man? How many girlfriends do you have? Tell me.
Look, let me tell you. The opportunity hasn't offered itself yet.
Okay.
But if it does, I'm not going to squander it. And I'm not going to use condom. I will never use condom. One day born, one day die. All die,
Hey,
we die.
Hey, Anas, we have to put some sense into this bomber clatting head. If you don't know me,
Look, Tito.
Jimmy, let's get this pimping business you're doing. It's not good. We have to stop it. Cause if something happens, them I go blame we too for that.
Will you guys leave me alone?
What's up? Leave him alone.
I know what I'm doing.
Where do you think you're going? Where do you think you're going? Where do you think you're taking this bingy hood to? Listen, run in your waist 6 feet when we go trip down. If you don't stop it.
6 feet. Where do you think you are taking the Konwa to? madness you go mad. You be madness you go mad.
Let's get ganja. Me love ganja. No earth. Your love running in your waist. Unwa go get them bump like disease. And now you unwa go trip down 6 feet. And if you go there too, go run your waist for there. Your love running in your waist. Why? Me sorry for you. You love a boy. You clat if you don't know and you're there here supporting him. He might clat this boy. You're dead man walking. It's unwa go get. Brass clat. What? Me don't know, sir. Me don't know. Wow.
Shama! Is that you? Who gave you this dress to wear? Charlotte, am I not talking to you? Why did you get this dress to wear? Charlotte! Stand there, your father will come and see you. Hey! Abokodo! I beg you, come and see something for yourself.
What again? What's your problem? What again?
Look!
What again?
Look!
I'm not seeing right. Shannon. I can't believe it.
Believe it. That is how our daughter standing there like a harlot.
What did you say?
Huh?
Dressed like a harlot? I never knew you were an old-fashioned woman. This is what we call millennium. Millennium dress, woman. Millennium dress. You are looking really beautiful, my daughter. Who gave it to you? Tina. Tina. God bless that girl, Tina.
Fokojo.
No, you go in, and look at yourself. This is how I want you to dress all the time. Dress like this. Sophistication. Hey, give me some work. Go into the room and sophistication. Sophistication.
Pakojo, are you trying to tell me that you approve of the way our daughter is dressed?
Hey, too much noise, woman.
Pakojo, have you been drinking?
I said we are talking sophistication. You see how you address the ball. That's why these days you don't attract me. So, look, we want to dress to attract attention.
Attract.
Attention.
Whose attention?
There. Come here, come here. Where do you think you are going? And what do you want?
I want to see Charlotte.
You want to see Charlotte? What for? Haven't I warned you not to come to this house again? Haven't I warned you not to move your hair again? By the way, what did you go to do at Tine's house? Eh? Look, let me warn you. Let me warn you. Don't meddle in the affairs of my daughter Charlotte again. You understand that?
Mr. Mensah, why are you encouraging your daughter to join that harlot group? Why are you pushing her into prostitution?
Stupid fool! Are you the one to tell me how to train my own daughter? Damn you, idiot! Clear out of my sight!
Mr. Mensah, those girls are they are good for nothing people. They are prostitutes.
And you are an idiot. Clear off! Get away!
Hi. What are you doing? Exercise?
Sure.
Why? Have you been doing this every day? Or you're only doing it because you're in Ghana?
Gloria, I've been exercising for the past 10 years.
Really?
Yeah, sure. You know Kwamina, don't you?
Yes.
Kwamina Johnson, the MP.
Uh-huh.
He's my classmate.
Oh.
Look at him and look at me. He looks 10 years older than I am. This is my secret.
No wonder you're very strong, right?
I know that. Okay. So, what are your plans for tonight?
My plans, Uncle, have you discussed with Bernice about us?
Oh, nothing serious. Why, did she ask you anything?
You know what, Bernice doesn't want any of her friends to go out with you. And I'll be very grateful if you don't discuss anything.
Okay. It's a deal. All right?
Okay.
You know what, I have an appointment with Johnson. I don't know, maybe you like to go with me?
Oh, no. What? You know, he's very close with Bernice and he might suspect something.
Okay. Then maybe we can meet later on at the restaurant for dinner, huh?
Yes.
Huh? Meanwhile, let's get inside. I need to take my shower. Let's go.
Come on.
Oh, yeah. It's a really tedious regimen, you know, but I'm enjoying it.
Charlotte, where are you going? Where are you going? Charlotte, I don't like the way you are dressing these days. I don't like the way you are dressing these days.
Ma, what is wrong with this dress? Nowadays, everywhere I go, people tell me I look very beautiful.
Don't be stupid. Do you have to appear naked to be beautiful? Huh?
Ma, am I naked?
Yes, of course. Do you have to expose your tummy and your underwear to know that you are dressed? Huh? An ideal woman does not expose her body. Charlotte. Is this you? about you.
You have to listen to what people say about you. Yes, you put it back and follow themselves.
Charlotte, is that how to talk to your mother? Look, consider yourself out of my life. You are no more my girlfriend. You got me?
Paparazzi, agreeing to your proposal is something I wouldn't want to remember. It was a terrible mistake I made. Damn you.
Damn.
Yen to Boisier, Tidia Woya Biana Botre, Okosajifa would me penny chair, Adia will be done a show will be a bre. So be Nima will be tray, Fesajina Midi said Bia one emre. The Jai said woke remember to pray, and I was a comic of your Honaya. You cannot want our panty, the other so would Jahon here now. She has said, so who you not going to bet your cratchy, but so cram my whoa, someone
life is not as easy as it looks. So sometimes it's nice and sometimes it's bitter. Instead you take today determines tomorrow. So beware, love is just a time so